Key person insurance is a critical financial tool that helps businesses protect themselves against the unexpected loss of their most valuable team members. When a company depends heavily on specific individuals for revenue, operations, or strategic direction, their sudden absence can create significant financial challenges. This type of insurance provides a safety net that allows businesses to continue operations smoothly even during difficult transitions. Key person insurance is a life insurance policy that a business purchases on the life of an essential employee. Unlike traditional life insurance where family members are the beneficiaries, in this arrangement, the company itself is both the owner and the beneficiary of the policy. This means the business pays all the premiums and receives the death benefit if the insured employee passes away. The funds belong entirely to the company and can be used to help stabilize operations during a critical transition period. A key person is any employee whose loss would significantly impact the business. This typically includes executives and founders, such as chief executive officers and company owners, whose vision and leadership drive the entire organization. Technical experts with specialized skills that are difficult to replace also qualify, as do revenue generators like top salespeople or client relationship managers who bring in substantial income. Essentially, any stakeholder whose absence would create serious operational or financial challenges for the company can be considered a key person worthy of insurance coverage. Key person insurance serves several important purposes for businesses. First, it compensates for lost revenue and profits that occur when a critical employee is no longer contributing to the company's success. Second, it covers the substantial costs associated with recruiting, hiring, and training a qualified replacement, which can take months and be quite expensive. Third, the death benefit can be used to pay off business debts or fulfill loan obligations that might otherwise burden the company. Finally, it helps maintain overall business operations and reassures stakeholders, including investors and clients, that the company can weather this difficult transition. The process of key person insurance follows a straightforward three-step flow. First, the company identifies critical employees and purchases life insurance policies on them, working with an insurance provider to determine appropriate coverage amounts. Second, the company pays all premiums and maintains ownership of the policy throughout its duration. Third, if the insured employee passes away, the company receives the death benefit directly. These funds can then be used immediately to address the financial challenges created by the loss, whether that means covering operational expenses, recruiting a replacement, or stabilizing the business until a new leader is in place. Businesses can choose between two main types of life insurance for key person coverage. Term life insurance offers lower premiums and provides coverage for a specific period, such as 10 or 20 years. It delivers pure death benefit protection without building any cash value, making it the more affordable option for businesses on a budget. Permanent life insurance, on the other hand, has higher premiums but provides lifelong coverage that doesn't expire. It also builds cash value over time that grows within the policy, and this cash value can potentially be accessed by the business as a financial asset. The choice between these options depends on the company's financial situation and long-term planning needs. Understanding the tax treatment of key person insurance is important for financial planning. The premiums that companies pay for these policies are generally not tax-deductible as a business expense, which means businesses cannot reduce their taxable income by the amount spent on premiums. However, the death benefit that the company receives is usually tax-free, providing full financial relief without additional tax burden. For permanent policies that build cash value, the growth of that cash value is tax-deferred, meaning taxes are postponed until the funds are withdrawn. Because tax laws vary by jurisdiction and individual circumstances, it's always wise to consult with a tax professional or financial advisor to understand the specific implications for your business. Let's review the essential points about key person insurance. This type of insurance protects businesses from financial loss when critical employees pass away, providing crucial stability during challenging times. The company pays all premiums, owns the policy, and receives the death benefit directly, giving it full control over these funds. The coverage helps maintain day-to-day operations, covers the costs of recruiting and training replacements, and reassures stakeholders that the business can continue successfully. When selecting coverage, businesses should choose between term or permanent life policies based on their specific needs, budget constraints, and long-term strategic goals. Properly implemented, key person insurance is an invaluable risk management tool that every business with critical employees should seriously consider.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.